Welcome to e-learning. I'm Vikas Prakash Das. In this video, we will learn how to design our web page using HTML tags. So before that, we should know what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So it's a layout language which is used to lay out our document. So it consists of different type of tags like body, head, etc., which is used to lay out our document or design our web page. So let's begin with HTML design. Let's add a HTML web page to our web application. So here is our solution explorer. Now right click on the project and click add new item. So here select the HTML page template, type any name, that's my page, then click OK. Sure. So here is the extension of HTML, that is .htm, or we can write also .html. So you can see these codes of HTML. Forget about this. These are the HTML codes. So every HTML page begins with a HTML tag and ends with a HTML tag. So every tag has its ending tag, which is followed by a forward slash. So let's delete these parts. Every HTML. So let's begin our website's design. HTML. So every web page has two parts. One is head part, another is body part. Head part contains the header part of our web page, that is the title, everything. Let's define our head part, which is defined by a head tag like this, and another tag we have inside the head tag is called our title tag, which is used to define the title of our web page. Let's define our title, be my HTML page. So let's see how it is showing. Save this, right click on the my page HTML and view in browser. So are you getting the title of our web page? That is my HTML page that we have designed in the head part. It's simple. Now let's come to body part. Body part is defined by using the body tag like this, and we can type any text here to show hello world. Save this, Control S. Now let's view this page in browser. Hello world. So this is the default color of a background of our web page. So let's define any other color in our web page. Let's minimize this. So we have another attribute called bg color. We can define hexadecimal codes for color, with followed by a hash with 6-digit hexadecimal code. First 2 digits for red, second 2 digits for green, last 2 digits for blue. So let's give our color. Suppose I want to provide the color red. I will provide hexadecimal values FF, all zeros, means green will be 0 and blue will be 0. Save this and refresh our web page. So this is the red color background. We can also change it to green. 0 defined this, and let's define it FF. Set this, we can get our background color green. So to make this blue, just simple. So background will be converted to blue. Like this we can change our background color. We can also share an image in our background, which is used by using background attribute. Let's copy an image from my picture. Let's copy this and paste it over here. Right click on project and paste. Simple. Let's provide our background URL over here. Our background. So where is our image? This blue hills. So this is our background image. Let's save this and refresh our web page. So this is our web page with an image in our background. So let's come to the header parts, header of the websites, header texts. To define the headers, we use H1 to H7, that is header 1 to header 7. So let's define this hello world as header 1. Let's copy this within this header text. Save this. Let's refresh our web page. So this is header 1. Let's convert it to header 7. No, let me type another tag with header 7. Header 1. Header 7. Let's refresh our web page. So this is the header 1, which is larger, and header 7 is gradually becoming smaller. We have another tag which is called font tag, which is used to change the font of our website. Let's define the font tag. F-O-N-T, font. This is a font. Font are different attributes. Let's go to property window. These are different attributes of font. Let's define the color of our font be red or any other yellow. And face means the design of our face, means the style of our font. Let it be Comic Sans. Comic Sans MS. Let's refresh our web page. This is the font with the style of Comic Sans MS. We can change the size, which size lies between 1 to 7. The default size is 3. So let's define the size of our font. with the attribute called size is equal to 5. Let's refresh our web page. This is a font with a font size of 5. So here we are working with font. Let's insert an image in our web page. To insert an image, we use the tag called img. Enter with a /. Image with an img means image with an attribute called src, means source. Let's copy another web document, image document here, paste it in our project Solution Explorer, paste it. Let's provide this image to insert here, sunset. Save this. We'll be getting image inserted in the web page like this. So it has different attributes like borders. We can change the border height, width of the image. Let's define the height as 100 and width also 100. We can change the dimension of image in our web page. View in browser. So now we change the dimension of our image over here. Another tag we have that is called BR, that is break line, which is used to create the new line in our web page. BR. So after that font, the image will take place in another line. So let's check here. Getting. So this is the font and the image is placed over here after a new line. Let's create another new line after the header 7 to take this font to another line. BR. Let's refresh our web page. Are you getting? Yeah. So these are the basic HTML tags we can use to design our web page. Another important tag which is used to lay out our page is called table, which is defined by tag TABLE, table, like this. It has TR, another sub tag called TR, which stands for table row, which defines the row of the table. And inside the row we can define different columns. Let's define 2 columns. To define those columns we need TD. We need 3 columns, that we have to define 3 TD tags. Let's provide this name column 1, column 1, column 2, column 3. Let's save this. Let's refresh our web page. So this is the table. Let's define our border color of our table. We have different attributes of table. which is border means the how the border will show in our table. Let's provide the border 2. Let's provide the background color of our table be white like this. Save this. So table with background color white and border 2. Let's see our table. Here is our table with 2 columns. We can also define another rows over here. Here, save this. These are 2 rows and 3 columns in each row. So this is a table. We can insert different objects in our table, different objects like image, font. Let's copy this object to some of the row, some of the cell. Save this and then refresh the web page. So these are 3 columns, and in the first column of the second row you are getting the image. So these are the different cells. So table is an important tag which is used to lay out our document, which we will use in our web page to design our site and for the pages. Okay, so these are the basic tags we are going to use in our web page. So this is all. Thank you.